How to access Snapchat Clipboard. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we're going to discuss whether it is possible to access Snapchat Clipboard or not. Snapchat does not have a specific clipboard feature inside the app, but here's what you can do with the clipboard content while using the Snapchat. So what exactly is a clipboard? Clipboard is a device feature that temporarily stores text or images you copy, like when you tap on copy on text. So if you're thinking about how you can use Clipboard with Snapchat to paste the text or links, go ahead and open a chat or conversation that you want to. Then tap and hold onto the text input area. You will see in the top of the keyboard when you're trying to type or send a message. Once you copy, go ahead and paste to insert whatever you last copied. And if you copy a Snapchat username, link, or code, Snapchat may suggest actions like adding a friend or opening a link. Accessing Clipboard outside the Snapchat is by using your phone's Clipboard Manager, which varies by device, to see recent copied items. And for Android, you can long press text fields and go to Clipboard and use the Clipboard apps. Or you can tap on this simple clipboard icon that is between the translate and settings option, and you will see the things that you have copied in your clipboard. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and access Snapchat Clipboard. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.